have multiple AI agents running simultaneously for me. A gym trainer, calorie tracker, AI news assistant, and a caption writer. And they are all powered by a single agent called Hermes. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up the Hermes and customize it to build your own AI-powered workflows. Let's get started. So to get started with Hermes, let me type Hermes agent and ouresearch.com. So just click on that. So this is the UI of Hermes website. So they have given the proper installation instruction here. The first way is to get VPS. So you can either install on your local machine as well, which is not the recommended way. So I would recommend you to go to VPS. So for that, just go to Hostinger and they have the VPS hosting. So click on that and choose plan. So to get started, KBM1 is more than enough. So simply click on choose plan, and here you can do it for either for 12 or 24 months. So to get discount, just type code with Arjun and click on apply. So you'll get some discount as well. Click on continue. So it'll ask you to choose operating system. So just click on Ubuntu, click on next, and just enter the root password. So click on install. Once you install, so you'll see this kind of interface. You have the root access. So either you can access it from your terminal. To do that, so open the terminal and here simply copy and paste that here and just type yes, and you just need to enter the password. So you'll be inside the terminal. Or the other way, the easier way would be to just click on terminal and simply copy this command to install and paste it inside here and click enter. So this will install all the dependencies and packages that are required for running the Hermes. So let's choose the quick setup, click enter, and here so this will ask you the model to choose. The best model is Anthropic, but it is quite expensive. I would recommend is go with the OpenAI Codex. So simply take the subscription of ChatGPT, so you can use the ChatGPT as well, and also you can use its subscription as the model here. Simply click on space, so this will open this. You just need to simply click on this and it'll open this and click on continue. So it'll ask you for the code which is here and paste it inside here. So click on continue. So it says signed in to Codex. So you can see, so now you can choose the model. So I'll go with the latest model. Click on enter, keep as default, and now it's asking you to set up the messaging platforms. Click enter. So it has a lot of channel you can set up. My recommended one is Telegram and Discord, because on Discord so you can set up the different channels for now. So let's go with the Telegram, and later so I will show you how you can set up on the Discord. Click space, so you'll select Telegram here and click enter to set up the Telegram. So you just need to go to the Telegram and go to bot father. So here just search for bot father if you haven't got one already. So click on open. From here so you can simply click on create new bot, and you can give the bot name something like demo bot or whatever you can give. Demo Hermes bot if it's available. So you can see, so this is available. So I'll just simply click and create. To access API of this token, you can simply copy the API token from here. Copy that. Let me go into this terminal and paste inside here and click enter. Now it has been saved, and here so we just need to put the user ID as well to give the access. To do that, so simply go into this get user ID. So just type get info, it'll give you the user ID info. Click on that, click on start. So start will give you the ID. Simply copy this, paste inside here, enter, and type Y, enter. Just type Y and click enter. So now we are done with that. Click enter again and type Y again. Now this will start the service again. So again type Y and click enter. So now to get started with Hermes, so you can just type Hermes, and so this will open the Hermes interface. Just say hi and this will start replying you. How can I help? Type what can you help me with? So it says it can help me with coding, research, automation, writing, GitHub workflows, media and creative, personal workflow, and smart automation. It can do a lot of things. Let's try that from Telegram. Since we have created the bot, click on bot father here and just type /my_bot. So you'll see all the bots that we have created. So we have created this demo Hermes bot. Click on here. So simply click on demo Hermes bot and click on start. Let me just type hi. So you can see it has already started typing. How can I help you? Give me latest AI news of today and make list of them. So let's just start with this one, see if this can help us or not. It has listed some news. Google introduces Gemini Omni, Google announces Gemini for Science, and a lot of news here. What you can do is now you can create some cron job to get the news every day. Every day at 5 p.m. give me AI news of that day and make a list of them. Let's just do this. And so now this will create a cron job which you'll get every day. So you don't need to do anything. So you'll just get as a reminder. So what time zone I use? Use Toronto time zone, Eastern Daytime. So let's see, so it's typing now. So now you can see, so I have a scheduled AI news briefing for every day 5 p.m. in this time. So where it'll come? It'll come in this Telegram message. So the next job is on May 25. So today is May 24. So it'll give me every day 10 to 15 latest AI news items. So similarly, so you can do the same thing for reminders. So if you have some reminder, so you can do the same thing. Remind me on that day or remind me every day. You can do whatever you can. So now the better approach to use this is to connect with the Telegram. Let me show you mine. So let me open the Discord here. On my server, I have my gym trainer. Every day I put whatever I have done or as my calories. So I'll put like how much I ate throughout the day and how much I should be eating. I have my personal to-do. I have my emails. Once I get some emails, so it'll automatically come here. I have my AI news and I have some for my work as well. I will show you how you can do similar to this. For that, you need to connect the Discord on this terminal. So again, let me type Control-C so that you come here again onto this root, and here, so just type the Hermes gateway setup. So just type that command and click enter. Now you have different option to set up. We have already configured the Telegram, so it says configured here. I want to do it on Discord. So you can see the Discord, it's not configured. So just type space. So it'll select that. So it says how you can create the Discord board. So let me copy this, paste inside here. So it says welcome to the developer portal. So simply click and create account. If you haven't got one account, simply create one. Once you verify your email, so you'll see the applications here and you can create new application. So let's start creating new application here. Click on new application and let's give the application Hermes agent, or you can give any name and click on agree the license agreement. Click and create and just say you're human. So this has created this, and here you see we have the general information, the installation, OAuth 2 bot. On this bot you can see the token, so click on reset token and yes, I do it. Enter your password, whatever you have created with, and click on submit. So now from here you can copy your token. So simply copy that, go into this terminal again and paste it inside the Discord board token and click enter. It says allowed user ID and username. For that, we have to again go to Discord, not the developers one, but the regular Discord, and click on open Discord. So we don't have any server yet. To create one, simply click on here, create server, create my own for me and my friends. So I will say Arjun server, or whatever you can give name. You can upload some photo as well. I will just create for now. And here you see we can create as much as channel you want. So you can simply create something like gym trainer, or you can simply create a calorie tracker. You can say caption writer. So you can create as much as you want. So I will show you how you can connect each of them. But before that, we have to do something on developer things. On installation, on this guild install, so just type bot and click on save changes and OAuth 2 here. So click on bot and here click on administrator. Copy this command. Once you copy, paste it inside here. So once you paste inside here, so you can see it'll show you the server name. If you have multiple, it'll show you the multiple ones. This is the server which we have just created. Simply click on continue. Authorize, just say you're human. So once you do that, so if you see here on show member list, you can see Hermes agent, it has appeared here, but it is offline for now. So now we need to work on how you can make it online. So again, go to the Discord here, go to bot here. So if you scroll down, you can see presence intent. So simply turn it on. Server member intent, turn it on, and message content intent, turn it on, and simply click on save changes. And now if you go to the Discord, click on user setting. So if you scroll down, so you have this option called developer. Simply open that as well. The next thing is you just need to click here on this your username and click on copy user ID and go to the terminal again where it says allowed user ID on this Discord setup and paste here and click enter. So on home channel ID, so I'll just set up this general as my home channel. So copy the channel ID, paste it inside here. So click enter. So now here if you see the Discord has been configured successfully. So let's again go here and see if it is online or not. It's still not online. So let me try to type Hermes agent and mention it and say hi, and let's see if this is able to reply me or not. So this is still not online. So now since we had connected with the Telegram, so let's say what was the name of the server. So let's say Hermes agent, copy this name. So let's say in Discord, Hermes agent is offline. Let's see if Telegram will be able to make it online or not. So let's wait and see. Okay, so now I think what we didn't do was to restart the gateway. Probably we had to restart that. Do you want me to allow? So just click on allow once so that it'll restart everything. I think once we restart, so this should work. So this is restarting the gateway. So let's go to Chrome again. So it's still offline. So let's see once it is done. So this is taking longer time than I was expecting, so I'll just deny here for now. So what I can do is go to Chrome again, and this is still offline. So what I can do is I can go here, click on done. So it says restart the gateway to pick up the changes from here. So I will rather do that. I think that's a better way. So I think we missed this process. So just click enter as done, and so this will restart that. You can already see, so the gateway restarting your current task, and also Hermes agent is online. So just say hi, and there's one more to fix. So this is not responding, but if I say Hermes agent and hi, so this will give me a response. How can I help? But it's coming as a thread. You can also talk with the thread, but I don't like the way it does here, so I'll delete the thread. So what I will rather do is I'll copy the ID. On this channel, I have to mention every time @Hermes agent to chat. Disable that. So click on allow once. So it took some time, but it says that I disabled the requirement for Discord channel to mention that every time. So now if I go on my Discord again and let's say hi, so now this should respond right away. So you can see on Hermes agent, hi Arjun, how can I help you? So similarly, so now you can connect the gym trainer as well. To connect that, copy this channel ID and again go to the Telegram and just say connect this channel ID as gym trainer to track my workouts. Just disable that every time I have to mention that Hermes AI agent or whatever agent name you have given, so it'll do the thing. So you can create a multiple text channels. I think this is a better way than the other Telegram things. Let's do that instead. Track my workout. Also disable to mention agent name to get a response. So let's do that and let's click enter and let's see what it'll do. Let me make it a little small here and open my Discord and let me put it here and let's see. So it's asking me to restart, but I don't want to do it from here, so I will just deny. Simply copy this command and I will click on deny from here. But what I'll do is I will do it from here. So click enter and let's see. So it will do the thing here. Wait for this to complete. So now it has been restarted and Discord is connected. So let me go into the Discord again and let me make it big here. So now if I just say hi, so now you can see the Hermes agent is typing. So it says ready, send me the today's workout exercise and tell me how you can train. So I skipped my workout today. So now it's much easier. Now you can only type about your gym training just here. So it says no stress, one skipped workout doesn't break the momentum, don't make up overly brutal session, resume the normal. So okay, so this is how it says, and now you can keep on chatting, and on general you can type about general thing. On calorie tracker you can track about the regular calories, or you can create multiple channels, and that's how you can make your AI agent effective. So this is how you can set up Hermes onto your system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.